what's happening is I think lots of people are finally seeing what working class and marginalised people have known for years. That it's been really tough. We've had a culture where it's been normalised to use food banks. That's a disgrace. Homelessness is everywhere. This wasn't what it was like. This isn't what we should be. We're supposed to be a civilised society, and now more and more people are being impacted on it. So my hope is that radicalises people into actions and into change. My fear is that it turns people so scared that they don't do anything. That's my worry.
Yeah.
I think it's really complex. And I read something somewhere that the bailout to the banks was 5 times the bailout to the people during this crisis. And my argument would be that we need the money now, because if we had money, we'd be sharing our money. We would, as consumers, would be saying, I'm going to make the right choices with this money. I'm going to make the right choices with where I shop or how I shop or how I buy my food. But if you haven't got any money, you can't shop wisely because you're broke. So then you're inevitably going to buy the pieces that are cheaper.
Cheapest options.
It becomes a circle. So I would like to buy from Bert and whoever, but if I'm not saying this is my reality, but many people's reality is they literally don't know when they're next. While I've been on this, just to give you full transparency, I've had a DM from my son's school, from the WhatsApp group, which has become my nemesis. Have we got £15 for a group shot I said no, I'm sorry, because there are parents. It's not actually, it's on principle because I'm like this. It's that there are parents I know who are feeling so mortified because they haven't got 15 quid, right, for a photo that somebody's doing. And I've just said, I'm really sorry, no, because I want them to think that not everybody is all right at the moment.